Welcome to Intelligent Kids channel.
Intelligent kids, present. I am sentences for kids.
I am a boy.
I am a boy.
I am 6 years old.
I am 6 years old.
I am a girl.
I am a girl.
I am brave.
I am brave.
I am a student.
I am a student.
I am going to school.
I am going to school.
I am helpful.
I am helpful.
I am smart.
I am smart.
I am smiling.
I am smiling.
I am sick.
I am sick.
I am happy.
I am happy.
I am sad.
I am sad.
I am hungry.
I am hungry.
I am scared.
I am scared.
I am dancing.
I am dancing.
I am sleepy.
I am sleepy.
I am shy.
I am shy.
I am bored.
I am bored.
I am surprised.
I am surprised.
I am beautiful.
I am beautiful.
I am bald.
I am bald.
I am tired.
I am tired.
I am thirsty.
I am thirsty.
I am genius.
I am genius.
I am fat.
I am fat.
I am strong.
I am strong.
I am excited.
I am excited.
I am confused.
I am confused.
I am in hurry.
I am in hurry.
I am angry.
I am angry.
I am tall.
I am tall.
I am short.
I am short.
I am fast.
I am fast.
I am slow.
I am slow.
I am weak.
I am weak.
Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel for more videos.